All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and I have another case review for you for the Samsung Galaxy S22. Now this is from the company Encased. This is the Rebel series case, and I'm a big fan of encased cases. Say that 5 times fast. But this one comes in black or purple. I have black here in front of you. It's $16.88 on Amazon with Prime shipping. So Encased was kind enough to send this out for review. So big thank you to them. If you want to buy this case after watching this video, do follow my affiliate links down in the description. So let's take a peek at the actual case here. So as you can see here, guys, it's a black case, has a hard back, just looks really good. Now let's focus on the inside here. Has this really cool, like kind of teardrop look as far as the inside goes. It's very rubbery feeling, so this is what your phone's going up against. It does say that it is their impact dispersion system, so that's kind of what they're calling their nice padded interior there. And it does say the Rebel series there. On the inside, you can see in this, it's just all these like ridges, so it's just screaming ruggedness. It says it can take a 10-foot drop, so obviously it's definitely exceeding military standards when it comes to drop protection. So let's grab my Phantom Black S22 here and slap it in. So literally, let's just go and push it in. Easy peasy. Boom, there it is. So there is the Rebel series case installed. Looks really good in my opinion, guys. Like I said, as far as this material on the back, it's a hard plastic back. You do have a little bit of, you know, kind of like a TPU material that's running across the bottom that says Encased there. So very minimal branding. Obviously kind of has a little ridge there, so kind of raises up on the back. Looks pretty good. The camera bump I'm a big fan of. I've always been a fan of cases that kind of try to mimic the camera bump shape. And then of course they have that half circle for the flash there, so it looks very nice. The lips on there look pretty good as well. So you're definitely going to be getting some camera lens protection there. So boom, there it is. Now let's look at the sides. So the sides here definitely scream rugged once again. You kind of have that meeting in the middle of the harder plastic shell to this kind of a snake pattern, kind of rubber material here on the side that when you're holding in the hands, where my fingertips are going to land naturally, it does feel very grippy right there. So I am grateful that they did that, because sometimes these plastic backs can get slippery. I mean, it feels good, but like I said, I am a fan when they add a little bit of grippier materials on the side. Now you do have your volume up and down buttons and your power button here. The volume up and down buttons kind of remind me of their inside of what the case look like. So that dispersion system kind of looks like a teardrop or something, right? It does have a plus and minus if you forget which one's which. They are raised. And then going to the bottom here, we do have our cutout for the Type-C port and mic and our speakers. And then going down here to this side here, obviously just nothing other than the grippy material and the harder plastic shell. And then at the top, kind of the same thing, but a circular cutout for the mic up top. Now, as far as the front goes, we have some very good looking lips here on the front. So we're getting some definitely good screen protection with this case. The lips are very raised on this, so feels very good. But yeah, like I said, definitely gives you a lot of confidence knowing those lips are present. When you look at the cutout too, you can see that cutout there, very nicely done for the speaker up top, and it is tempered glass friendly. So let's go ahead and do the shake test here and see how wobbly it is. So let's do back down first. No, I think it's just my base that I'm using for my background. Yeah, no shake at all for the back. And for the front, no shake at all either. Now let's do the clicky button test. So let's start with the power button first. And volume up and down. Very clicky, very clicky, guys. So very good buttons there. Now, Qi wireless charging test. So as you can see, It instantly recognized that it is on a Qi wireless charger, so no issues at all, even though it's a very nice rugged case. So you are able to do Qi wireless charging, reverse power share, and you can use Google Pay and Samsung Pay, no issues at all. So there we have it, guys. There is the Rebel Series case. It's a good one. I like it. It feels good. Adds a little bit of extra bulk to this already lightweight small phone. But some people like that. You know, it's such a small device that adding a little bit of bulk might just feel a little bit better in the hands. But the grip feels good. It's easy to get in and out of your pocket since it's a smooth back. So yeah, it's great. I really like these types of cases. You don't have to worry about fingerprints. You have to worry about smudges. It's very rugged. So it's good. So definitely a winner in my book. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.